American singer-rapper Chris Brown has been in the spotlight for more than 2 decades now, but his life has always been filled with controversies. Labeled as one of the most controversial singers, Chris Brown has charged a defamation lawsuit against Warner Bros. For $500 million over sexual assault allegations. In October 2024, the network had announced a docu-series titled Chris Brown: A History of Violence as part of its ongoing No Excuse for Abuse campaign. With regards to the same, the rapper has now slapped a legal action against all those who were involved in the project's creation. According to Variety, Chris Brown has accused producers of Warner Bros. And Ample LLC of libel and intentional infliction of emotional distress through defamatory claims made against him. Further, he claimed that the evidence provided by them is completely false. Talking about the documentary that was released last year, the story explores accusations of domestic violence and assault against Brown. Central to its narrative is Jane Doe, who in 2022 sued Brown for assault for allegedly her at Sean Combs' Miami Beach-based yacht. Reacting upon the same, Brown's legal team mentioned the then accuser Jane Doe's sayings were fabricated and Warner Bros. Producers should have known about it before using them. Brown states that he informed the producers of the documentary about the inaccuracies in them, but they still did not implement any changes before airing it. Their actions exhibit actual malice as they prioritized profit over facts, ignoring publicly available court records and other credible evidences. His complaint read further.